Welcome to the LATSMobile app, timesheet reporting at your fingertips. Launch the LATSMobile app and tap Enter Time to submit timesheet entries. Employees that are required to report if they are present or absent for the day must select the respective toggle icon in order to enter their worked or leave time. Not all users of the LATSMobile app will see this feature. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter time for a given day. Tap the star icon to save the time entered as a favorite. It will remain as a bookmarked item for future use. Tap Apply to enter a time entry. Additional time entries can be added by tapping the plus sign. This feature allows a user to enter a time of arrival and departure based on their work schedule. If a time entry was added incorrectly, swipe left on the incorrect entry and tap Delete. If you use the TDS feature in LATS, tap TDS on the bottom of the screen. This feature allows users to enter time for specific categories, tasks, and subtasks, if applicable. To report any overtime worked, tap Overtime on the bottom of the screen. Tap the appropriate field to enter your time. Tap Save to save your entry. Follow the steps previously described to enter your leave time. Tap Leave on the bottom of the screen and follow the on-screen instructions. Select a leave category from the list provided and enter your time for that category. Leave categories may be added by tapping the plus sign and repeating the steps to enter your time. From the LATSMobile app home screen, tap Timesheet to view the timesheet status for the current pay period. Tap Overdue to view any overdue timesheets, or perform a search to view a timesheet for a specific pay period. Tap on a specific pay period to view the timesheet details. Any date with a missing time entry will display with a red exclamation point. Tap on a specific day to enter a time entry. This feature allows users to enter worked time, overtime, leave, or TDS information. Navigate back to the LATSMobile app home screen. Tap Accruals to view your accrual balance as of the current date. Tapping on the Projected As Of tab allows you to see your projected accrual balance as of a selected date. Select a desired date and tap Done.